Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then to the incoming call ringtone. Here you can see the whole list of the available ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone here by selecting any audio file from your device memory, but I unfortunately have none audio file, so I'm just gonna select one of the pre-installed ones, and I'm gonna select my all-time favorite. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.